Hey guys, this is my bike that's up for sale. It's a 2016 BMW S1000RR. This bike, when it was new, had the HP4 race kit installed by the dealer, which means that it actually got the full titanium race exhaust from AKRAPOVIC. Actually had a new ECU and a sprint filter installed on the bike. Has an LED tail tidy, carbon fibre rear mudguard, more carbon fibre, has a battery tender, the LEDs are flashing green showing that the battery is in good health. We've got tank pads. We've also got the carbon fibre frame protector. And you can see here, this is actually the full HP4 exhaust. And I'm actually going to do a cold start with the bike. It's not been started for a few days, and you can see it's totally cold. I wouldn't be able to touch this if the bike was hot at all. Come back round, and you can see all the carbon fibre actually on the bike. And even with regards to the lower fairing or belly pan is actually carbon fibre as well. I actually have the original OEM parts. If a new owner actually wanted them replaced and took back to stock, that is possible. The bike is like new, essentially. It's in good condition. Quick cold start. I'll let you hear this bike. That's it guys, it's my bike for sale. Ask me any questions.